Hi everybody, I'm Dave, and just a short video how to replace a controller on an Olide 120 series door opener. Now, the first thing, let's get the cover off. There are notches on the end caps, and we just put in a small flathead screwdriver. Go a little bit on each side. Once you get your fingers under it, it's off. Now, left to right, we have motor, gearbox, controller module. Now, I use a flathead screwdriver, and it's best, let's get the harness out of the way first. In doing that, then our left side mount screws are easier to see. Now, the mounts are slotted, and really all you have to do is loosen the two on the left, and then we remove the two on the right. And it really is better if you disconnect the harness to expose those screws on that side, on the left side. And the controller module is out. We can see our slots. Now, the majority of these do not have a part number on them. If I've touched them, I put the model number right on them. And if I've sent you a controller programmer replacement, make sure they both read the same. Okay, so replacement is about the same as removal, but it's a whole lot easier if we connect our harness first. And I'm not overly concerned about that one screw being tight. You know, it's not like we're going 90 miles down the highway. So it just slips in there, and it's nice to have a magnetic screwdriver. Now, I would say get the screw started, because there's a little bit of slop in that slot, and if you tighten down right away, you may not get your second screw going. So that's nice and firm. That's not going anywhere. Now for the cover, if you get one edge started and the cover is within the edges of the end cap, just get one side started, pull it over, and just slap it into place. Okay guys, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.